Good afternoon, this is Jack from theartofchart.net, and this is an intraday video for Monday the 12th of February. Our disclaimer, we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it and transfer it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. Right, hang on. It's shutting off a bit of background noise. Right, let's go. Okay, ES. I was talking about, one thing I was talking about in chart chat yesterday was the possibility that we would form a bear flag here overall. Now, I think this is unlikely to be a double bottom here, and you can see I've not marked it up as a double bottom. It's possible, but we've got nothing supporting really on NQ or TF. And for a number of reasons, it looks rather unlikely. Now, I'm going to be coming to some of those reasons. So I'm actually talking about SPX today, and I'm going to use this video as an opportunity to talk about where we are in terms of the bear market, why it is unlikely the bull market has finished, why exactly from a TA point of view it is unlikely, and where we are in terms of the current structure and what we can expect next. So I'm going to use this as an opportunity so I can refer back to this video, and I'm going to put a copy of that on YouTube just for general consumption, and with a post I'm going to be doing this afternoon. But short term, we're not expecting this to be the low. Apart from anything else, I think this would have been a lower low on ES, and it was a higher low. Only by a handle or so, but that's significant. It was also a higher low on TF. It was only a lower low on NQ. We have quite a lot of positive divergence. We've certainly got 60-minute buy signals. These have reached the possible near miss target on all three indices. How much further has this got to go? Maybe not a lot. But if this is a bear flag channel forming, then we would be looking to get up to 27.30 or so. I don't know if it's got the juice to get that far, but I do know that we have the beginnings of a potential rising support trend line here. And I'll be watching initially to see whether this one holds for so long, and whether on the next retest it holds again and forms a three-touch support trend line. But we could have the beginnings of a wedge here, possibly near the end actually. Let's have a quick look at the trend lines here. This looks like a starter pattern to me. It doesn't look like the final pattern. This looks like a pattern which evolved into another pattern or two. But I think could we fail here? We could. We certainly the 60-minute buy signals have made the possible near miss targets, and it may be that that's all we're going to see. Now, let's have a look at NQ. NQ has broken up here again. I'm going to have a rising support trend line. I haven't drawn that in here yet. We've pretty much made target on the buy signal. Again, it looks like a wedge forming. It could be that this is about to roll over. TF. Now, TF's more interesting because actually on TF I already have a channel. Actually, it doesn't quite look like it because Monday morning tends to mess about with my trend lines, but I've actually got a decent rising channel here already. It doesn't need to remain a channel, but what I would be thinking is if we were forming if this was a bear flag channel forming, then we'd be heading up to this resistance up and about the 1538 area and rising, obviously, and we would touch that and we would reverse and go and retest this low, which was the low that wasn't retested last week. The 60-minute buy signal has reached the possible near miss target. TF has been weaker than the other two, and if that continued to be the case, then and that would suggest that the other two have quite a way to run. I'm a bit doubtful about that. Now,